Okay, welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we're gonna make a mint julep using our Amoretti creme de menthe syrup. Ready? Let's do it. First, we're gonna take some fresh blackberries. Drop those babies right in there. And we are gonna muddle the fresh blackberry juice. While we do have blackberry syrup, the reason I'm using fresh blackberries is the acidity of the berry is gonna cut through the sweetness and super bourbon-y flavor of the mint julep. Okay, that's pretty good. So we're gonna do 4 pumps, 2.5 ounces Kentucky bourbon, and stir this baby up. All right, let's set it aside and crush some ice. Boop. All right. Don't be shy. That liquid is gonna help all that ice settle down. Bring this beauty back. Oh, that is so pretty. Fresh mint garnish. And there you have it, blackberry mint julep. Thank you for watching. Show us how you Amoretti by tagging us on social media every time you use our products. Stay up to date on all of our recipes by tapping on the bell below. Subscribe to our newsletter and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to stay up to date on all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways. Goodbye.